Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. One of the defining features of this drag-oriented machine is the 3-mode adaptive suspension system. This adaptive dampening system allows the driver to include modes such as drag mode, which is going to give you optimal weight transfer to the rear wheels. Equipped with the 20-inch Nextons, that's going to really help get that power to the ground and get this thing launched down the track fast. Prominently featured on the front of the Super Bee is the classic Super Bee emblem. It's equipped with functional hood scoops, including some that allow cold air to pass through that radiator, allowing proper cooling of the motor. Down low, the grille includes ducting to the brake works, as well as some cold air ducting up to the airbox. The whole thing is rounded out with black back-plated functional hood pins, keeping everything down and secure at speed. While the 2023 Super Bee is inspired by classic muscle cars, it's going to include some modern amenities, such as full keyless entry, mobile and remote start. But there's no mistaking the sweet sound of the exhaust as anything other than pure muscle. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one, and if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.